Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you were able to find me again. Today we're going to be doing a review of the KKW Mario palette. I've already tapped into this before, so this is actually my second time filming this video because the first time didn't go great. If you're lucky, I'll give you bloopers for that. So, we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look that I'm kind of going to be winging. I don't really have a plan. I'm just going to look at this gorgeous palette and see what inspires me. So let me take off my glasses, let me pull my mirror a little bit closer, and let's get started. So first I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. blending brush into this middle top row shade called Miami, and I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. Next, with the same brush, we're going to be flipping into the color Loyalty, and that's going to go on the outer crease and the outer part of the eyelid. I'm going to be honest with you guys, for an everyday look, I would usually just stop right here, but I'm going to be going a little bit further today. Next, we're going to be taking the shade Albanian, which is this lovely reddish brown tone, and I'm going to be packing that onto the lid. And again, I'm going to be dipping into Loyalty to deepen up that crease just a tad more. Now I'm going to be taking one of my Morphe brushes. It's a fluffy little blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this all out. Now I'm going to be taking, wait a second, 2008 in the inner corner and below my brows. Alrighty, now I'm going to go back in with this fluffy blending brush. Just take that and kind of clean up the edges here. And now for a little bit of fun, I'm going to be taking my finger and pressing it into Armenian and putting that on the lid. And again, fluffy brush, blend it out. And then I'm going to be taking the best shade in this entire palette, Libra, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line and do a bit of a faux wing with it. And then I'm going to go a little bit onto the upper lid with the same color. Last but not least, just a tad more blending. And I'm going to add some mascara off camera. Alrighty, we're all done here except for the lip. So I'm going to go ahead and put my glasses back on for that. So I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I only got the shade 3 Nude, so it wasn't able to pick up one of their lip pencils. They were out of stock, but I did already have Insanity from Urban Decay, this lip pencil, the 24/7 Glide On. So I'm going to be using this to outline and shade in my lips. And then I'm going to apply the lipstick. And then I'm going to be taking part of the Vlada Smashbox collection, the liquid lip in the shade Desert Rose, and I'm going to be dotting this in the center of the lips just to give this look a little bit more metallicness. Metallicness? That's a thing. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed my review of the palette and the colors in it. And please come back for next time. So subscribe and bye!